Hello and welcome to another sculpting session. Today we're going to be sculpting some drapery. Just to go over the tools and stuff that I'll be using, one of these floor samples that I got just from a hardware store, some clay, Chavant medium NSP clay. I've got quite a few loop tools. I've got my favorite metal tool that has these rounded tips. I really like this tool, and a knife. As far as the setup when I'm sculpting, I just took a piece of cloth, there's a wood board behind it, and then I kind of pulled up this corner, let some of the cloth droop in the middle a little bit. So I wet the cloth just so that it holds those wrinkles, those nice wrinkles, and then I have kind of come in and push things around. Drapery is a great way to practice using the material that you're sculpting in. It just really helps you try to observe something that's complicated and organic, the way that drapery kind of moves, bends, and folds. And there's a couple people that have asked for me to do a drapery study. I've done some in the past, and it is a great exercise. So if you haven't done it, I hope you grab some clay and sculpt along with me. So there's 1 hour in to sculpting drapery. I've gone over the important principles. You should be able to get started. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.